Welcome to our creative journey. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY home decor on a budget, where you can transform your living space into a stylish, personalized haven without breaking the bank. The beauty of DIY home decor lies in its ability to reflect your personality, creativity, and resourcefulness while making the most of what you already have or can easily acquire. Whether you're looking to refresh a room, add a personal touch, or simply change the vibe of your home, there are countless ways to achieve stunning results with minimal spending. The key is to see the potential in everyday items and think outside the box when it comes to design. Start by repurposing items you already own. An old ladder, for example, can be transformed into a chic bookshelf or a rustic towel rack. Mason jars, often tucked away in the kitchen, can be repurposed into elegant vases, candle holders, or storage containers for small items. Fabric scraps, which might otherwise be discarded, can be sewn into colorful throw pillows, table runners, or even wall art. These small projects not only save money but also add a unique, personal touch to your decor. Thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales are treasure troves for budget-friendly decor, offering a wide array of unique pieces that can be upcycled or given new life with a little creativity. A simple coat of paint can transform a dated piece of furniture into a stylish focal point for any room. If you're feeling more adventurous, try reupholstering an old chair or sofa with fresh fabric to give it a new lease on life. These small investments of time and effort can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your home. When it comes to wall art, creating your own gallery wall is an excellent way to add character and interest to a space without spending a fortune. Gather framed photos, prints, or even your own artwork, and arrange them in a visually appealing way on the wall. You can also incorporate stenciling and decals to add texture and patterns to your walls without the permanence of paint or wallpaper. This approach allows you to experiment with different styles and colors, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving decor that reflects your personal taste. Incorporating plants into your decor is another inexpensive way to breathe life into your space. Succulents, herbs, and low-maintenance houseplants not only add a touch of greenery but also improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. You can display your plants in DIY planters made from everyday items like tin cans, baskets, or even old teacups. Hanging planters or vertical gardens are also great options for small spaces, adding greenery without taking up valuable floor space. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a room, and you can easily enhance it by creating your own lampshades, string light displays, or candle arrangements. A simple paper lantern can be transformed with paint, fabric, or other materials to match your decor. String lights can be draped over a mirror, bed frame, or bookshelf to add a warm, cozy glow to any room. Candles, placed in DIY holders or arranged in groups, can create a relaxing ambience perfect for unwinding after a long day. Mirrors are another versatile decor element that can make a small space feel larger and brighter. Look for budget-friendly options at thrift stores or create your own by decorating a plain mirror with shells, beads, or reclaimed wood. A large, strategically placed mirror can reflect light and give the illusion of more space, making your home feel open and inviting. For a quick and impactful update, consider changing out hardware on cabinets and furniture. New knobs, handles, or drawer pulls can instantly elevate the look of a piece, giving it a fresh, modern feel. Textiles like rugs, curtains, and blankets also play a significant role in home decor. If new ones aren't in the budget, consider dyeing or painting old fabrics to give them a fresh look. A new set of curtains or a brightly colored rug can completely change the atmosphere of a room, adding warmth and personality. Don't forget the power of a well-arranged space. Sometimes, simply rearranging your furniture or decluttering can make a room feel brand new. Creating more open space or defining different areas within a room can make your home feel more functional and comfortable. Fun fact: DIY home decor is not just about saving money, it also allows you to create a space that truly reflects your personality and style, making your home a more comfortable and inspiring place to live. With a little imagination and effort, you can turn even the simplest of materials into something beautiful and functional, proving that great design doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Thank you for your time and interest in exploring the endless possibilities of DIY home decor on a budget. Welcome to our creative journey. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY home decor on a budget, where you can transform your living space into a